Very sweet good morning, my dear students. Again, I have come to make you understand a new topic, notice writing. In my previous lecture, I had told you, I have taught you another format of notice. Now, today, I am going to describe different format than previous. Notice. You could see the main heading notice. After that, Gokul Dham Society, Navi Mumbai. But my dear students, in my previous lecture, I had told you that the name of the institution, the name of the society should be there, very top of the notice. पहले मैंने आपको बताया था किसी भी संस्था का, किसी भी विद्यालय का, किसी भी सोसाइटी का जिसके बारे में हम नोटिस लिखने जा रहे हैं उसका नाम सबसे पहले होना चाहिए एंड दैट शुड बी इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. बट फॉर्मेट इज डिफरेंट. I want that you must be aware each and every format of notice writing. Okay? This is the different format than previous lecture. Name of the institution society is given just below the notice. No problem. It is also not in capital letters. No problem. It is in running hand. No problem. It means your marks would not be deducted at all if you write your notice with this format. It doesn't matter at all which format you have chosen, which format you have selected to write an effective notice. No problem. You should not be confused at all. Okay? Now, Gokul Dham Society, Navi Mumbai, then date 27th July 2020. Now, this is the main heading. You also could say it's the topic, blood donation camp. Blood donation camp. Okay? After that, this is the starting of notice. This starting is different from that starting I had suggested you in my previous lecture, notice writing. Okay? ये दूसरा फॉर्मेट है जो पहले मैंने बताया था, उससे भिन्न है, उससे अलग. Okay? All the members of the society are hereby informed. Previous lecture में मैंने आपको बताया था it is informed to all the members of the society. There is an information to all the members of the society. It is noticed to all the members of the society, so you don't be confused at all. Okay? With all the lines can be written according to your own convenience. Okay? Come to the point. All the members of the society are hereby informed. सोसाइटी के सभी मेंबर्स को सूचित किया जाता है कि that okay, now your notice starts that the society is going to organize a blood donation camp. A society is going to organize a blood donation camp. This line also can be written in the form of a blood donation camp is going to be organized by the society. No problem. जैसे आपको अच्छा लगे, एज यू लाइक, ओके। वैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। इन वेरी प्लेफुल मेथड यू आर सपोज टू राइट द नोटिस, ओके। ऑर्गेनाइज ए ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप। So, it is requested that the members should become a large number for this noble cause. Okay? I mean to say, सभी मेंबर्स से रिक्वेस्ट है इस अच्छे कार्य के लिए, as you know that blood donation is a noble task. Okay? रक्तदान सबसे अच्छा, सबसे बढ़िया दान होता है, सबसे ग्रेट दान होता है और सभी को करना भी चाहिए, ओके। इससे दूसरे की जिंदगी के सेव लाइफ ऑफ अदर पर्सन, ओके। लीव इट। इट इज रिक्वेस्टेड दैट द मेंबर्स शुड कम इन लार्ज नंबर फॉर दिस नोबल कॉज, ओके। नाउ दिस लाइन आल्सो कैन बी रिटन इन सच फॉर्म एंड कम टू टेल व्हाट all the members of the society are requested to come in the large number to perform this task or noble task. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं आप, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, okay? According to me, my dear students, you must have several lines related to same topic in your pocket or in your mind. Your mind is your pocket, okay? Then if there is any requirement, quickly you could bring out that line and can put on the notebook or the answer sheet in the examination. बहुत सी lines होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। जैसे this line, it is requested that the members should come in the large number for the noble task, or all the members of the society are requested to come in the large number for this noble task or cause, okay. Or it also can be said that it is my humble request to all the members to donate blood to help others, to save the life, others' lives, okay. Different types of lines you could write, my dear, no problem. So this is it's requested that members should come in large number for this noble task. Now this is different thing, okay. Different formats. The format I have told you my previous lecture, that was date, value, time was there in the sequence of line, no problem, okay. जैसे मैंने लिखा है आपको, the donation camp will be held on such date on 7th July 2020 at 10 a.m. or from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in Community Center, Gokuldham Society, Navi Mumbai. Okay, that was in one line, in one paragraph. But this is different format and it looks very attractive and sophisticated. Okay, what date? 27th July 2020. Time 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Venue Community Center, Gokuldham Society, Navi Mumbai. All the details regarding when, where, how is given in this format. Okay? Now, this line, after giving all the details regarding venue, regarding time, regarding date, you are supposed to put the last line, just a minute, for more details, contact undersigned. Okay? ज़्यादा डिटेल के लिए नीचे contact लीजिए। और instead of this line, another line also can be written that for further information, contact to the undersigned. For further information, contact to the undersigned. Okay? Now, for more details, contact undersigned. This line also can be written, no problem. But the format, the line is there in your mind, you can write during the notice writing. After that, your name and designation. Who is writing this notice? Secretary of the society. Have you seen? तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा, वही आपके आत्माराम तुकाराम भिड़े, वही ये नोटिस लिख रहे हैं। तो वो सोसाइटी भी वही है। मैंने आपको इन वेरी कॉमिक मैनर, ठीक है, इन ह्यूमरस वे आई वांट टू टेल हाउ टू राइट नोटिस। आत्माराम तुकाराम भिड़े, sacred, okay? The name and designation would be given very bottom of the notice. The name of the person who is writing the notice should be there like this, okay? Now you must go through the entire notice. Notice, ये आप यहाँ के ऊपर भी इसको लिख सकते हैं, गोकुलधाम सोसाइटी नवी मुंबई should be there before the notice in capital letter or below the notice capital letter or small letter, doesn't matter at all, okay? After that, the topic, blood donation camp. Your topic should tell that about which the notice is going to be written. आपको टॉपिक से पता लगना चाहिए कि पूरा नोटिस किसके बारे में लिखा जा रहा है, ओके? Now, all the members of the society are hereby informed. First line, it is informed to all the members of the society. Third line, it is noticed to all the members of the society. Fourth, all the members of the society are hereby informed. Okay? किसी भी तरह से आप लाइन लिख सकते हैं that, अब यहाँ से नोटिस स्टार्ट होता है, the society is going to organize a blood donation camp और ये ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप इज गोइंग टू बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द सोसाइटी। कोई भी लाइन आप लिख सकते हैं। इट इज रिक्वेस्टेड दैट द मेंबर्स शुड कम इन लार्ज नंबर फॉर द नोबल टास्क। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट की जाती है बहुत से मेंबर, सभी मेंबर से, इस अच्छे कृत्य को करने के लिए, इस बहुत अच्छे कार्य को करने के लिए बहुत अधिकाधिक संख्या में आए, ठीक है? तो मैं हिंदी में जिसको बोलते हैं वो ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि रिक्वेस्ट दैट द मेंबर शुड कम इन लार्ज नंबर फॉर दिस नोबल कॉज, और ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी आर hereby requested or are requested to donate blood for the noble cause or noble task। ऐसे भी लाइन आप लिख सकते हैं। मैंने कहा ना, कई लाइन्स आपके पास होनी चाहिए। इट मीन्स there should not be any delay at the time of examination when you are writing your answer on the sheet. It means you should not waste even a single second in thinking what line I am supposed to write. Lines पहले से होनी चाहिए, एकदम continuously आप उसको लिखते जाएं so that in very short span the time, within the time you could complete your notice, can get 5 marks out of 5. Okay? Now details, date, time, venue, okay? और ये डिटेल्स ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे जैसे पहले बताया था, okay? The camp will be organized on 27th July 2020 at 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. or from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the community center गोकुलधाम सोसाइटी नवी मुंबई। एक पैरा में भी आप इसको लिख सकते थे और इससे भी लिख सकते थे। This look something different, okay? थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है। After that, last line, for more details contact undersigned, or for further information contact to the undersigned, name of the authority who is writing the notice. After that, their designation. Okay? Clear? Now, I hope that you will be able to write any type of notice within the period, that short span of the time, at the time of examination, without thinking much. Okay? You should practice writing more and more notices having different subjects, different formats, different lines, and you should be able to write very effective and attractive notice. Okay? Now I would suggest you to practice it at your home. You could try your best to write different notices. You should go through different books where notices are given in different formats. Then you will be able to make yourself, ready or perfect to write a very good notice. Okay, I am giving you homework that you students, class 10th, 11th and 12th, even class 9th, there is also this topic, I think, section notice writing. You all should write at least 3 notices and send me on my personal WhatsApp so that I could check. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless. Thank you.